It is now ridiculously expensive to get a visitor's visa to come to the United States from certain countries because the State Department has just expanded the visa bond program. If you're applying for a tourist visa to the United States, you may now have to pay $5,000, $10,000, even $15,000 just to get the tourist visa to come to the U.S. And I'm putting every country affected right here on the screen. So check out if you're on this list. Now, here's what they don't tell you. This is not a fee, it's a bond. You only get that money back if you follow every single rule perfectly. So what does that mean? You're getting a single entry visa, valid for only 3 months. But when you enter the United States, you can stay no more than 30 days. That's it. Now, let me explain the reality of all of this. With only 30 days in the United States, you're not going to be in any position to change your status to a student, to get married, and file your adjustment of status without breaching the bond. Because if you try to do it too quickly, immigration's going to say misrepresentation. And if you overstay past those 30 days and you wait the 90 days and then change your status or then file for your adjustment, the bond is lost. You've lost all that money. So yes, technically, people may still try to adjust their status later, for example, through marriage to a U.S. citizen. But here's the catch. If you don't leave on time, even if you eventually get your green card, you're out $5,000, $10,000, $15,000. So there's very little room to maneuver. Even if you do everything right, if the government system doesn't properly record your departure, you're going to have a fight on your hand to get that money back because they're going to say you never left on time. So before you apply, before you travel, make sure you understand exactly what you're doing, what you're walking into, and if you need to speak to a good lawyer, you should.